Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about how you can buy Pyth crypto. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So the easiest way to buy Pyth crypto is on the centralized exchange. So if I show you my MEXC account over here, I haven't logged in on my MEXC, but you will need an MEXC account. If you don't have an MEXC account, you can use the link in the description to sign up on MEXC, where you will be getting zero buying and selling fees for all your crypto tokens and also the lowest possible trading fees. So once you have the account created on MEXC, all you have to do is at the bottom you need to click on trade, and as you can see, Pyth to USDT is already showing. If it's not showing, you simply click on the arrow over here and search for Pyth over here and simply click on this. Now you will need to have USDT in your MEXC wallet in the spot. If you don't have, you can either transfer it from the centralized exchange. If you have any other centralized exchange like Binance, KuCoin, or some other exchange, you can simply go ahead and transfer it. If not, then you can directly buy USDT on MEXC platform. Now, if you can go ahead and click on how much USDT you want to invest. Let's take an example. If you want to put in 1000 USDT, then as per the current exchange rate, you'll be getting close to 1900 Pyth tokens. And once you have the enough balance, simply go ahead and click on buy Pyth, and then the Pyth will be reflected in your spot wallet. So it is this simple to buy Python MEXC. And in case if you still have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.